Hey everyone, welcome back to MELI Digital Hub, your go-to place for cyber safety tips and digital know-how. Before we dive into today's hot topic, making your password hack-proof, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all things tech. Alright, let's secure your digital life. We've all heard those horror stories of accounts being hacked. Your password is like a key to your digital house, so let's forge the strongest key together. Step 1. Complexity is crucial. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For instance, Fluffy 123T is a no-go. Instead, try something like F1UFHashy_2, 3. See what I did there? Step 2. Length matters. Go for 12 characters or more. The longer, the harder it is to crack. Step 3. Be unpredictable. Avoid birthdays, pet names, or anything easily guessed. Randomness is your friend. Step 4. Use a password manager. These nifty tools create and store complex passwords for you, so you only need to remember one strong master password. Step 5. Lastly, enable two-factor authentication where possible. It's an extra layer of defense that can make a world of difference. That's it. With these tips, you will fortify your digital presence against hackers. Remember, securing your personal information starts with a robust password. Protect your digital world and stay ahead of the hacks with MELI Digital Hub. If you found these tips helpful, give us a like, drop a comment down below about what security topics you want to hear next. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Together, let's build a safer digital community. Thanks for watching, stay savvy, and see you in the next video.